When you go on an aeroplane, you're like, I don't know how this works. This is terrifying. Why am I shooting through the sky in a metal tube? But similar with like ships, I'm like, well, it's just a thing that floats on water. But then when you realize like every element of the ship, even the thickness of the painting and coating and the chemical composition of the paint, it's all planned and detailed and engineered. It's really amazing when you can zoom out and be like, whoa. So in year 11 and 12, I think I did chemistry, but I was atrocious at it. And I really didn't think that I was like academic. I think it's like what everyone kind of grumbles about at school. You're like, you can't see the point in it because it's very much like theory and not really applied to anything. I think I kind of like lost my confidence and I didn't really know what to expect with TAFE. But the lecturers and like what we learned, really enjoyed it. Some of my favourite parts like of being in placement, it was the engineering and the maths units that I enjoyed the most. Being able to take that when you go on placement, you can exactly see why you've learnt that and how it applies. Being in Western Australia, I think most people just assume, as far as trades go, I think FIFO is the first thing that comes to mind. I didn't realise the defence industry in Australia was like this broad, and that's now. I mean, you can see it expanding and the demand is growing and growing, so I think that really like blew me away. To be able to like see up close the amount of detail and the amount of skilled people that goes into building a ship like that, and also like the scope of roles. Like you'd think, okay, there's probably an admin person, a person doing that and a person doing that. I think I was shocked by like the amount of opportunities and the job scope that was there. I really think there's a role for everyone, no matter what you're interested in. For me, the Defence Industry Pathways program has been massive and it's kind of changed the trajectory of my career in a way that I never really would have expected. And it gave me a real appreciation for the amount of effort and time and skill that goes into defence. And when you look back in 20 years or 30 years, you can see that you're actually contributing and you're able to play a part in that and be a part of something bigger. I think it's really fulfilling.